Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to do how to remove Google account from Chrome app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Chrome. Then over here at the top right corner you can see your profile icon or a person icon or your profile picture. Tap on it. Over here you can see Gmail. Tap on it. Over here you can see all the Gmails you have. Tap on one Gmail you want to remove. Tap on any of it. Then you'll come across this page. I want to remove this Lily Rivera 2024. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of remove account. Tap on it. There you can see again they ask you to remove account. Tap on it, confirm it. Then there you go, your account has been removed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.